share a little bit about my journey, where I came from, and where I'm at today, and maybe a little bit about where I'm hoping to go.
Why not build a sense of community around food? People come together around food and tell our story and get them to know us a little bit through food as well.
Okay, so I'm shocked at how much I have in common with my fellow speakers, because I was also adopted, sixth child in my family, so I was, but there were 7, so I was invisible.
Constance. I'm with the Secretary of State Office, Corporations and Charities Division. With our division, we oversee the business registration and annual maintenance of all businesses, as well as charities, nonprofits, and commercial fundraisers and charitable trusts.
But we're the agency that gathers that information and sends it off to make sure you have compliance. It's another plug for business.wa.gov. If you haven't already kind of written that down.